Construction progress, Barcelona new stadium Spotify Camp Nou. We begin with a detailed look at the northern end of the stadium. Crews are hard at work laying the foundations for a new section of the stands. Over the past week, significant concrete work has been completed on the right side, but the left still requires additional reinforcement. Steel bars are being installed, and progress seems a bit slower on this side, but rest assured, things are moving forward. Hopefully by next week, we'll see more concrete poured and the northern structure coming together. Moving over to the center section, we can see workers putting up new walls and steel reinforcements. One notable feature is the curved concrete wall that is now clearly visible. Crews are preparing more of the steel framework that will eventually support the upper tiers. A large crane is busy maneuvering the heavy materials into place, and there's no doubt that soon this area will be bustling with activity as more beams and columns are erected. Let's shift our focus to the tower crane area. A significant amount of steel mesh has been installed around this section, signaling that more concrete work is on the way. Workers have been steadily lowering the ground level here, using excavators to remove dirt and prepare for additional foundations. You can see them working hard to ensure everything is perfectly level before proceeding with more concrete pours. One of the most exciting updates comes from the Tribune section, where we've just seen the installation of the first large support structure. This is a major milestone. The first beam is in place, and we expect to see more of these massive pieces added in the coming days. The workers are ready to attach the bolts and secure everything, so it won't be long before the Tribune takes shape. Lastly, we can't forget to mention the preparations for seating installation. Boxes of new seats have arrived, and it looks like they'll begin installing them in the upper section soon. There's still some painting and finishing work to be done, but we're getting closer to seeing the final look of the new Camp Nou. With each passing day, the vision of this legendary stadium becomes clearer. That's it for today's update. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss next week's progress. And leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.